Good afternoon. Chapter 11, Three-Dimensional Geometry, that is 3D. Question number 1. If a line makes angles 90 degree, 135 degree, 45 degree with the x, y and z axis respectively, find its direction cosines, that is DC. So, direction cosines you have to find. Since the line makes angles 90 degree, 135 degree and 45 degree with x, y, z axis respectively, since the line makes angles 90 degree, 135 degree, 45 degree with the x, y and z axis, then alpha equal to 90 degree, alpha equal to 90, beta equal to 135 and gamma equal to 45 degree. Okay, so L equal to cos 90 0, M equal to M equal to cos 135 degree, cos 135 degree, M equal to cos 135 degree, and cos 135 degree means cos 180 minus 45 equal to cos 180 minus 45, 135, that is equal to 2 into 90 minus 45, that is cos only, and second coordinate cos is negative, so minus cos 45 equal to minus 1 by root 2. And n equal to, because we know cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, that is LMN, direction cosines. So n equal to cos 45 degree, angle is 45, so equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, n equal to 1 by root 2. The direction cosines of the line are therefore direction cosines of the line are zero, minus 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Okay. Then question number 2. Find the direction cosines of a line which makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. Find the direction cosines of a line which makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. So, question number 2 is find the direction cosines of a line which makes equal angles with the coordinate axis. That means alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. All three angles are equal. So it is given alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, that is cos alpha equal to cos beta equal to cos gamma. So this means L equal to M equal to N, and we know L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. So therefore all are equal. So L square plus L square plus L square, L square plus L square plus L square equal to 1. That is 3L square equal to 1 So L square equal to 1 by 3 L equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. So therefore L equal to M, L equal to M equal to N equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so direction cosines of line, thus direction cosines of line are either either 1 by root 3, comma 1 by root 3, all three are equal, same, or 1 by root 3 or negative sign, all are negative, minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3, all positive or all negative, these two. Okay, this is the answer. Next, Question number 3. If a line has the direction ratios, if a line has the direction ratios -18, 12, -4, then what are its direction cosines? DC, direction cosines. So the question is, if a line has the direction ratios -18, 12 and -4, then what are its direction cosines? Okay, so here direction ratio is given. That means ABC, A equal to -18, B equal to 12, B equal to 12 and C equal to -4. So direction cosines of a line are sines of a line are A by under root a square plus b square plus c square plus c square, b by under root a square plus b square plus c square and c by under root a square plus b square plus c square. So A equal to, therefore A equal to -18. So -18 by under root -18 square plus b equal to 12 square, c equal to -4 square. Okay, then equal to -18 by under root. So 18 into 18 square is 324 plus 12 square 144 plus 4 minus 4 whole square, that is 16. Okay, so this equal to minus 18 by under root, so total is 324, okay, plus 16, 340, 440, 484. Okay, 484 total. Now 484 means 22. So minus 18 by 22 equal to minus 9 by 11. Minus 9 by 11. Okay. Now second one, that is by. So b equal to 12. 12 by same. Denominator part is same for all the three cases. Okay. So it is 484 equal to 12 by 22. 12 by 22 equal to 6 by 11. And third one is c by, c is minus 4. Minus 4 by under root 484 equal to minus 4 by 22 equal to minus 2 by 11. Okay. So therefore direction cosines of a line are so minus 9 by 11. First minus 9 by 11. 6 by 11 and minus 2 by 11. This is the answer. Direction cosines. Okay. So if direction ratio is given, then use this formula. A by under root a square plus b square plus c square, b by under root a square plus b square plus c square, and c by under root a square plus b square plus c square. And ABC direction cosines and ABC are given minus 18, 12 and minus 4. Okay. And calculate this, so we get this. This is the result. Minus 9 by 11, 6 by 11 and minus 2 by 11. And if angle is given, then direction cosine is, if angle is given, alpha, beta, gamma, that is, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are the direction cosines. Okay. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are the direction cosines. If angle is given. And if direction cosines of a line which makes equal angle, all angles are equal, then alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, and we know the formula alpha L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1, and we know LMN are the direction cosines, so all are equal. That means all are L square, we can say. So L square plus L square, that is 3L square equal to 1. So L equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. So all are same. So 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, or minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3. Okay. Hello? Hello? Thank you.